Welcome to Epic Yarn Gems. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the moss stitch. So we're going to start with a chain of 13 links and we are going to go into the third loop from the hook. So we're going to go into that and we're going to do a standard single crochet. After that we will be doing a chain 1 and we are going to be skipping the next loop and going into the loop after that. Again with another single crochet, followed by a chain 1 and skipping the next stitch, going into the one after that with the single crochet, chain 1, and this is going to be our pattern all the way through the moss stitch. Once we finish up this row, we are going to be using the spaces that are created by the chain 1s to be the space in which we do our single crochets. So as we finish up this row, we are going to continue to do that single crochet, chain 1, and you will end on a single crochet. As we finish up this last stitch in here, what we are going to do is we're going to do a chain 2. The first chain is the turning row chain, and that is to bring us up to the height of a single crochet. And then the second chain is really to serve as the chain 1 in the pattern that we've been doing. So as we turn our work, there are our 2 chains, and our next stitch is that single crochet, and we are going to go into the space next to it, and that space is made from the chain 1 of the previous row, and we are going to put a single crochet stitch into there. Then we're going to do our chain 1 again. We're going to skip the next stitch and we're going to go into that open space and do another single crochet, chain 1, and then again skipping the next stitch, going into the open space with a single crochet, chain 1. You should be seeing the pattern emerging now, and what it's doing is on alternating rows we are putting single crochets where the chain 1 was from the previous row, and we're putting the chain 1 where the single crochet from the previous row is. So as we come to the end of this row, we did our chain 1, and then our last single crochet is going to go into the open space that was created when we did the chain 2 of the turning chain. So as we complete that, we are going to do another chain 2 on the end of this, and once we do that, we are going to turn our work, skip that very first stitch, which was a single crochet from the previous row, and go into that open space, which again was made by that chain 1 of the previous row. So what we will be doing is that single crochet followed by a chain 1, skip the stitch, go into the next open area, single crochet, chain 1, and we're just going to keep doing that all the way around. This is not a specific pattern, but just a demonstration on how to do the moss stitch. So when you are working with patterns, you're going to want to use the count that they indicate so that your work turns out the same as the pattern is showing. So as we finish up this row with a chain 1, and that last single crochet is going to go into that space made with your turning chain of the chain 2. We are going to finish up with a single crochet. We're going to chain 2 and we will go back the other way. So as you can see, this is a pretty easy pattern to get used to doing, and it is really just single crochets and chain 1s. I will put into the link of this video my tutorials on how to do those 2 stitches. And I hope you've really enjoyed this stitch. It is actually a pretty fun stitch and it works up rather quickly and can be used for many different things. But if you have enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and leave me some comments. I'd be very interested in hearing what you have to say. And if you would like to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you will get a notice whenever I post a new video. Again, thanks for watching and I hope you have a great day.